There are tens of thousands of cryptocurrencies available today, with the figure pegged at 10,000 in 2022. When Bitcoin launched in 2009, it didn't have much or any competition in the newly minted realm of digital currency. By 2011, though, new types of cryptocurrency began to emerge as competitors adopted the blockchain technology. Bitcoin was built on to launch their own platforms and currencies. Suddenly, the race to create more crypto was on. Today, there are thousands of different types of cryptocurrency, and while each is designed to provide some new feature or function, most are founded on similar principles to those that established Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies are not issued, regulated, or backed by a central authority like a bank. They are created using a distributed ledger, blockchain, and peer to peer review. Bitcoin and other coins are encrypted, secured with specialized computer code called cryptography. As assets, cryptocurrencies are generally stored in digital wallets, commonly a blockchain wallet, which allows users to manage and trade their coins. The blockchain technology that fuels cryptocurrencies ensures users' anonymity. It also assures high levels of security through cryptography. The entire system functions on shared ownership, where data is available to all permissioned members and is tamper proof. As of September 2021, estimates of the different types of cryptocurrency you can trade range from nearly 6,000 coins to over 10,000, with a total market capitalization of nearly 2 trillion US dollars. Bitcoin is the world's first widely accepted form of cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is so popular. There was a time when its name was synonymous with cryptocurrency, but potential investors need to know Bitcoins have become very expensive. In 2021, the cost of one Bitcoin was 68,000 US dollars. But the good news is you don't always have to buy an entire coin. You can buy smaller fractions of it. Although many people use the terms crypto, coins, and tokens interchangeably, it's critical to understand how they differ in order to grasp the basics of cryptocurrencies. Different types of crypto generally fall into one of two categories: coins, which can include Bitcoin and altcoins, non-Bitcoin cryptocurrencies; tokens, which are programmable assets that live within the blockchain of a given platform. The concept of crypto coins versus tokens can be confusing to many. At first glance, coins and tokens appear the same. However, the two have many differences. Coins can be mined, but tokens cannot be mined. Coins are linked to blockchains. Tokens are not. In terms of utility, they vary in the type of product or service they allow users to purchase. Before we dig in, let's clarify the definition of coin and token. Although used synonymously, a coin is a digital asset that is native to its blockchain network, while a token is an asset that is foreign to the blockchain they were built on. For example, BTC is the native coin to the Bitcoin blockchain, and so is ETH to Ethereum blockchain. However, Doge is a token that was built on the Ethereum blockchain. As you might know, Ethereum is one of the most popular blockchain for building tokens that are referred to as ERC20 tokens. Tokens are also built on an existing blockchain, but they aren't considered currency, but rather programmable assets that allow for the creation and execution of unique smart contracts. These contracts can establish ownership of assets outside of the blockchain network. Tokens can represent units of value including real-world items like electricity, money, points, coins, digital assets, and more and can be sent and received. For example, the BAT or Basic Attention Token is built on the Ethereum platform and is used in digital advertising. In short, we have to work on them after examining difference between the two. Of course, you all would have easily understood. If my video helped you understand, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.